And welcome to this video of my Tops Kick pack opening. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you haven't done so already, then subscribe. Anyway, let's go this for the Well, that pack was terrible. Well, we've got Flancia, that's not too bad. Right. Open another one. Hopefully, Danny Ross. And Herrera. He's good because he's a Manchester United player. I'm doing very good. Let's open the 3 packs. See if we get anyone good. No. Oh, we got Lord Bento. Yep, best player. Super rare, is he rare? De Bruyne, not bad. So apparently we got a super rare player. PPR. No. Lukaku, sorry. Not that good. Terrible so far. Got 1 super rare. Rico Lambert, he's terrible because Liverpool player, but Janusai, he's alright. Not the best of players, but better than Ricky Lambert. But then again, anyone's better than Ricky Lambert. Sabaleta, he's good. Take him. Sorry about that. No one good so far. Oh yeah, I've about 1 rare, but that's it. Super rare. There you go, we've had a super rare. Silver. That was better. David Silver and a super rare. Not a bad pack at all. Last 3 packs. Balotelli, that's just Liverpool players. No one wants him. Unless it's storage. Oh, sorry about that, guys. All Sterling. The only 2 good ones. Right. So it's now time for the last pack. And we got crap. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.